right, gold protocol initiated. Monitor lizards. 6, no, 7, 8. Need photos for documentation. Gold protocol successful. Tranquilizer fired. Stay calm, big guy. Sedation taking effect. Let's get him out of here. Race start. Electronic beeping countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Old to Gold World, where legends are reborn.
Gold protocol initiated. Monitor lizards. 6, no, 7, 8. Need photos for documentation. Gold protocol successful. Tranquilizer fired. Stay calm, big guy. Sedation taking effect. Let's get him out of here. All right, team. Monitor lizards secured. Gold standard.
Ultrasonic deterrent active. Bats relocating to tube 9.
Check.
The perimeter is stable. Confirming visual on the Inferno Dragon.
Copy that. Proceeding with the extraction.
Gold team is on approach. Start rig protocols.
Landing confirmed. Secure the perimeter. Cables deployed. Team, attach the rig now. Copy that. Harnesses on the truck.
Lift preparation complete. Inferno Dragon Emperor Rig is secured. Helicopter crew, we are ready for extraction.
Landing zone clear. Bring it down.
Copy. Touching down.
Cables out. Let's move.
All right, secure the rig.
Legends become reality. Old to Gold World.
Formation tight, airspeed stable. Solid gold leader, 23 miles to destination.
The Inferno Dragon, let's see what you've got.
Yeah.
Reacting nicely.
Yeah.
High pressure, engaging. Done. Pristine.
Inferno Dragon rises from volcanic tomb. Subscribe to witness complete resurrection. Tweak, like a grub, comment, show, subscribe. The dragon is ready. Don't miss the next stage.
All right, engaging the first bolt. Hydraulic up. Steady now. Clear on the rack. Move to the right side.
The Inferno Dragon rises from its volcanic tomb. If you want to see the complete resurrection, make sure to subscribe.
Pull it straight back. It's heavy. Got the weight. Let's set it down right here. I'm tagging the main grill assembly now. Inventory complete. Every component accounted for. Disassembly phase complete. Fabrication preparation can begin.
The Inferno Dragon Emperor Rig gets a new large steel floor pan. Dragon skeleton rebuilt. Will the Inferno Dragon fly again? Low like, where way comment, where well subscribe. Carbon buildup present, but specs are confirmed, beginning the gold standard cleaning process.
Bore condition verified, ready for rebuild. All right, precision machining for this 460 V8. Let's get the crankshaft positioned. Light wear visible within spec. Let's hone it. Main bearing cap number 1. Torquing now. Verified. Moving on. All 5 caps secure. Smooth rotation achieved. Next, pistons.
The Inferno Dragon Emperor Rig is fully assembled. The rebuild is complete. Part 6 complete. The Infernal Dragon Emperor's cooling system is now complete and holding pressure. Excellent work. The Inferno Dragon Emperor Rig gets a pro-level interior transformation.
Legends become reality. Old to gold world.
Keep it steady. Down just a fraction. Aligning now. Good. Set the pins. Setting bolts. Tighten them down. All right, second one coming down. Look lively.
Engine bay verified. No leaks. Wings perfect. Armor staged. Interior engine bay verified. Battery secure. Radiator mounted. Wings checked. 40-foot span perfect. Undercarriage aligned. All systems verified. Ready for paint. Engine bay verified. No leaks. Battery secure. Radiator mounted. Wings. Verification complete. Booth parameters stable. Ready to proceed.
All right, system activated. Let's do this. Looking good. Incredible work.
All right, new LED systems in. Wiring engaged. Let's see if she roars. Taillight.
Color consistency perfect. Verified. Species honored permanently. Electrical test functional. Dragon resurrected. Transmission engaged. Moving forward. Excellent grip. Turning radius perfect. Braking smooth. Control verified. Dragon is mobile.
Will the Inferno Dragon conquer the track? Like. Comment your prediction. Subscribe for victory.
3, 2, 1.
Race start. Electronic beeping countdown. 3, 2, 1.
The Inferno Dragon Emperor Rig is a testament to the dragons we rescued. Professional verification confirms the georestorations.
Did it! This is unbelievable.